Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got for you a great #1 hit by the Monkees from 1967. This is a thing known as Daydream Believer. I'm sure you know it. If this is what you're after, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Daydream Believer, let's get straight into it. So, strum pattern first. Let's get the strum pattern squared off. This is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, practice that through. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Right, so intro, and the first progression of the verse, we're going to do a slight alteration of that strum pattern, in as much as the first beat of the first down stroke is going to be accented and the others are going to be slightly quieter. So I'm going to give you a little demo of that. So it's going to go. See what I've done there? So the first beat of the strum was louder than the rest of the strum. Okay, so here we go. So first line, intro goes G to D, G to D, and then we're going to go into the verse. The first line of the verse goes G, A minor, B minor, then to C, then G, then E minor, then A major, then D. Okay, so let me play for you the intro and the verse with that strumming pattern and with the accents. Okay, so it goes like this. Here we go. Here we go. Then G, A minor, B minor, C, G, E minor, A, D. And then after that, what we do for the remainder of the verse, we just, no accents, the whole thing is played at the same strum level. So we got G, A minor, B minor, C, G, E minor, C, D, G. We'll go through that again. So the second part of the verse goes G, A minor, B minor, C, then quickly it G, E minor, C, D, G. Okay, let me do the whole verse for you. Here we go, whole verse coming up right now. So we've got G, A minor, B minor, C, G, E minor, A, D. Now all at the same level. G, A minor, B minor, C, G, E minor, C, D, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What we can do before we move on to the chorus, which is very popular, I can show you this little trick. So we got. So you'll hear that bam, bam, bam. You hear that. So it'll go G, A minor, B minor, C, G, E minor, A, then it goes, and then for the next bit. So let me show you how that's done. All we're going to do, when we downstroke on the D chord, we're going to downstroke on the D chord, upstroke with the second finger off, and then down again. We're going to up pick on the B string while holding the remainder of the D. So we've taken the second finger away, so it's down, up, and then up pick on the B string. And then carry on with your verse. So G, A minor, B minor, C, G, E minor, A, G, A minor. So you see what I've done there? So that is like a da da da. You'll hear it on the song. Play the record back. You'll hear what I'm talking about. So that is the verse, how you play the whole verse. I've given you all of that. Let's move on to the chorus. Now the chorus is slightly simpler in strumming pattern. Strum pattern for the chorus is all downstrokes predominantly. Every now and again you can throw in an upstroke just to mix things up a bit. But chorus goes a C to D to B minor 2 3 4, C to D to E minor 2, C to, then G 2 3 4, C 2 3 4, G to E minor to A 2 3 4, D 2 3 4, and then the whole thing's repeated again. Let's go through that again for you. C, D, B minor, C, D, E minor, C, G, C, G, E minor, A, D. Now, what you can do, every now and again, like I said, you can throw in an upstroke. So, watch how I do this. See what I'm doing, throwing the upstrokes in. A to D. Right, C, D, B minor, C, D, E minor, C, G, C, G, E minor, A 2 3 4 D. And there we have it, Daydream Believer by the Monkees. How did you get along? Let me know all about it down in the comments section below. Did you find it easy, difficult? I want to hear all about it. Also, if there's any other songs you'd like me to take to pieces and show you how to play in a future video, again, let me know down in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel. Until we meet again, take great care of yourselves. Thank you. Bye-bye.